Guys, we are making mushroom and mashed potato with beef, guys. Some people don't like this mash mushroom, but never mind. When you garnish it this way, you're gonna like it. So we are making mashed potato, guys, with beef and just vegetable sauce like carrot, beef, mushroom, veggies, a lot of things and meat, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video. So I've sliced my mashed potato, I've sliced everything and set aside. So now I'm gonna fry some potato. It's not only mashed potato we're gonna do, we're gonna fry some to side it with the mashed one. So don't go anywhere, stay very tuned, guys. This is yummy and delicious food you never even tried before. Why I say you never tried this one before is because you don't usually add mushroom, but I tell you, when you fry your mushroom and use it with beef and other stuff, you're gonna like it, guys. Now we are about roasting our beef. What you need to do, rub oil on the pan, put on your beef, or before you transfer your beef to the pan, apply a pinch of salt on it because it has already prepared in the market. So another thing you need to do, as our beef is going on roasting, guys, we're gonna keep on preparing other things. And when your beef is roasting, guys, kindly be turning it so that the both parts will be okay and the both parts will done very well. So now I'm checking my mashed potato. As you can see, we finished the flying one because I divided the potato into two after cutting it. So I fly little that I will side on this. So I'm cooking the one I gonna match. So make sure you cook it very well so that it can match very soft and smooth. Okay, as I'm checking my cooked tomatoes, I'm also bringing out my beef because it has already done. Once you are no longer seeing liquid coming out from beef, you know that is done. So now I'm gonna fry my mushroom. For your mushroom to taste good on your sauce, guys, you need to fry it with oil. Guys, go ahead to add oil on your pan, add your mushroom there. Guys, mushroom usually evaporates water. So for you to know that your mushroom is done, when you are no longer seeing water coming out from it, so that's when you know that your mushroom is done. Okay guys, let's keep flying. Please, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notifications so whenever I upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. Okay, now our potato is done, so it's time to match it with our iron match. Guys, go get this kind of iron match, use it to match your potato. You're gonna like it. Or if you have machine for the match, if you have machine for the match, kindly use machine. So I finished mashing. If you want your mashed potato not to get rumped or have seed on it, when you bring it out, firstly mash it. After mashing it, before you can add anything like butter, add butter, salt, a pinch of salt and milk. That's what will make your mashed potato to be healthy and taste very sweet. Okay, we now go ahead to start frying our sauce, vegetable sauce. So go ahead, cover your pan with some oil. Guys, I want to use like chicken, so I just want to fry my chicken a bit. So I've added oil on the pan, chicken and my bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme and my curry. So I just want to fry all of them together. So guys, keep on watching. If you never try this way, kindly gather here, watch this video. Okay, now I just want to add my fly mushroom. Guys, this thing they sweet like tomorrow no day. If you never start trying it, kindly do that. Okay, the next thing I added here is my carrots. Now is my green bean. So still, guys, keep on stirring till all of them combine and mixed very well. So guys, as you can see, it's not hard. It's not hard. It's only when you never want to start cooking. So the next thing here is my broccoli. Guys, broccoli seems soft, so that's the last thing I put. So that's the style to mix everything together. The next thing I add here is my water. Guys, add the 1 teaspoon of water which can cook this. Make it somehow watering because we're gonna thicken it with cornstarch. So yeah. So now we finish cooking. So we've added our cornstarch. The reason to add the cornstarch is for it to be thickened. So guys, that's it. As you can see, making all this vegetable sauce is not that hard the way you think. And you get to be preparing it sometimes because you can't just base only on stew. Eating stew all the time, tomato stew. So go ahead, prepare this like this. You can use it to eat rice, you can use it to eat spaghetti, you can use it to eat mashed potato. So lo and behold, our food is ready. So what did I side here? I put my roasted beef, my mashed potato, my fried potato, and my sauce, my incredible sauce. So that's the list of everything I added here. Guys, take a look at this. This is so yummy. This looks so yummy and delicious, guys. Guys, I can't feed you and spoon feed you. If you never sabi cook this, gather here, make we eat them together. And if you've never tried this kind of eating, kindly try it yourself. Give it a try and thank me later. Guys, what did you guys think about my preparation? What did you guys think about the cooking? Did you really like it? If yes, guys, kindly give it a try. Guys, cooking is not hard unless if you never try to cook. Thanks for watching.